Hello noobs and welcome to the continuation of command prompt series. Okay, Rain here, and I am your lecturer for this video. Okay, so today we are going to look at three basic commands, which is the del, the echo, and the exit. The del or the del simply stands for delete. Okay, it is also same as the command erase. Okay, so the del or the erase, they are all the same. So here I'm going to open my drive C and show you the file that I'm going to use. So sorry, I've got a folder here I created myself, and I'm going to create one more text file, print, and I'm going to create a new zip file. Okay, a compressed file, TED. I'm going to name this one TED. I'm going to work with these things you are seeing right now. So my command prompt window here, and then first we are going to work with the delete command. So what the delete command does is it removes files and folders, or it deletes files and folders. It's the same as right clicking on a file or the folder and then clicking delete. Okay, but this one we are going to use a command line, or we are going to type command for our work to be completed. So I want to navigate to my log folder, and if you have not watched my previous tutorials, then I recommend you to go to YouTube, search for Gray Coders, and then click and then watch the full series of command prompts. Okay, you watch the full series on the command prompts course, and then you will understand the CD, how it works. Okay, I have covered it all in the previous videos. So now I will then move to my log folder here, and then you see we have so many items here, folders, files. Yeah, so I'm going to display them. Again, if you have not watched my previous tutorials or my previous videos, you have to go and watch them, because all these I'm doing using the DARE, the CD. I have covered them in depth in those videos, so go and watch it. Okay, so now I've got these files here. Okay, as they are displaying, I have my example file is here, I've got my file is here, they're all here, and as well as my two folders. Okay, my softwares and my treason is here, the treason is here, and I've got my software also here. I've also got my TED here as a RAR file. You see that all those files comes with their extension. Extension is very important when it comes to working with command prompts or any programming language. Okay, so extensions are very important. Don't worry, I'm going to make a full topic on extensions, and I'm going to post it right on our channel. It's going to be available for you, so make sure to subscribe and then like our channels. Okay, so that you are going to get the latest videos that we are going to post on our channel. Okay, yeah, so now let's continue without wasting time. So we are going to use the delete command. Okay, so we are going to delete my file. We are going to delete this one. That's the let me put this so that you look at it as we work. Okay, let me bring it here a little bit. Yes, now you can look at it. So now I'm going to delete print first. So I type delete and then print. When I press enter, it must vanish. Okay, so now I have deleted it. No, it says del print. Okay, del print. I must add the extensions. Okay, mistakes are very good for you because it helps you not to repeat them in the future. Okay, so let's move on. I press enter and boom, that's it, it's gone. So you can see print is gone from this place. So if I display the files in it, you see that print is no more. If I compare this to the previous answer I got, you see that print was available, but here in between the my file and the software, it's not available, it's gone. And here too is gone, meaning it's gone for good. And if you delete an item, it does not go to the recycle bin. Okay, as you see, we just deleted an item from the command prompt, but the recycle bin is still empty. Okay, so when you delete an item from the recycle bin, the command prompt, it does not go to the recycle bin. It is gone. It is gone for good. Okay, so let's move on to using the erase command. I told you that the erase command is the same as the delete, okay, as the delete or the del command. Okay, so let's use that one, erase, and this time I'm going to delete third, okay, and I'm going to add the extension. We notice that the extension is ra, as you can see here. So I'm going to add the extension ra, and when I press enter, boom, it's gone. Here, that's again, it did not go to the recycle bin. It's gone for good, forever. It's gone. It's gone. Okay, so let's move on to some of the operands or some of the options that can be used with the delete command. Okay, the delete command have got 5 operands, and one is the /p. Okay, /p, like this. And what it does is it prompts you for confirmation if you want to delete. Okay, so if you want to delete something, it's gonna prompt you for confirmation. Let's say you want to delete my file.txt, and we are going to use the p option with the delete command. So I press del, and then I bring /p, and then I bring the file name. Okay, so this time I'm going to use my file.txt. When I press enter, it must ask me delete yes or no. Y stands for yes, N stands for no. So if you want to delete, you press Y. If not, you press no. For this case, I'm going to press N because I don't want to delete it. I want to use the same file for different examples. Okay, so I'm going to press no, and I'm going to press enter. The file is still there. It's not gone. So when I type there and I press enter, you see that still is there and it's not gone. Okay, the next option that can be used with the delete command or the erase command is F. Okay, it says it force deleting of read-only files. Okay, what it does, it force deleting of read-only files. Generally, read-only files are meant to be read only. You cannot write them, or you cannot write to them, and you cannot delete them. Okay, so if you use the F on it, it force deleting of read-only files. Okay, so let's say delete F, and then my file, okay, .txt. You press enter, boom, it's gone. Even if it's read only, still it's going to vanish. It's gone for good. I will run through the rest of the options. You can try them. The same syntax as the previous ones that we've used. Okay, so you bring del, the options must come first, and then the last thing to come is the file name. Okay, so the next option is the /s. What the /s does is it deletes specific files from directories, all directories. Okay, specific files. So if text files, if docs, if PDFs, if video, if audio, if pictures, whatever. Okay, so that's what it does. It deletes specific files from all directories. And then we have also the kill /kill option. Kill stands for quiet mode, which means it's going to delete it. Boom, you just press enter and it deletes it quietly. It does not prompt you whether you want to delete it or not. It just deletes it, boom, straight away. Okay, and then last of all we have the A, which also it selects files to delete based on its attribute. It selects files to be deleted based on what? Its attribute. Okay, so that's it for the delete, and let's move to the next one, which is the echo. Okay, what the echo does is it prints texts on the screen. So you just have to type. It's very simple. Echo, let's say I love my mom, and then boom, it's here. I love my dad. Now you see that, notice a difference between the first thing that I typed and the second. You see that I brought two commas, two upper commas, let me say it that way, on the top of the beginning of the I love my dad and at the ending of I love my dad. Okay, I put them in quotes. Yes, I put them in quotes. And then if you notice, this one I did not bring any quotes. This ones I did not bring any quotes. But what it does is, immediately after the echo command, whatever that appears on the screen is what is going to display. In most programming languages, if I put anything in quotes, most of the programming languages I mean, if you put anything in quotes, it just prints out the text, forgetting the quotes, okay? But in command prompt, the echo command does not do so. Immediately after the echo commands, it means whatever that appears must be shown to you on your screen. So I type echo, I am going to the market to purchase some food. You see? And when I press enter, it says I am going to the market to purchase some food. So that's it for the echo. And then now the exit command is very, very simple. It is used to close an instance of a command prompt. So if you type exit, boom, the command prompt quits and it's off the screen. So this is how it is done. Boom, and it's gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, share the video, and come back to check for later videos. Okay, we are going to bring you exciting and interesting videos. Okay, we care about you. Rain here, and have a nice